got something to say? You got something to say? You got a lot to say. Alright, it's day 58 and we have puppies. You cleaning up there, Bill? You cleaning up the babies? We got babies. They're about, oh, let's see, 10 hours old, I want to say. It's about 10 hours old, so we're cleaned up. We're just learning how to eat. Yeah, good babies. These cute guys. Whoa! Liberty is jealous. She wants to come and see the babies. Somebody's underneath, but there she is. Find that one, Belle? What's that baby doing? There's the babies. We got 4 girls and 1 boy. 5 puppies Belle has. And she's worn out. Yeah. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh. Oh, hello buddy. Oh, going for a, whoa. Going for a tumble there. Alright. Hey Mom. Hey Mom, how you doing? How you doing, Mom? Oh, somebody's got something to say. Oh. Is it good, Mommy? Are you babies doing good? Baby's doing good? What's happening, guys? What's happening? You cute? You're so cute? Oh, yeah, look at you. You're enjoying that, huh, buddy? You enjoying breakfast? Is that pretty good stuff? Oh, man, look at you. Oh, look at these babies. I'm just chilling in there. Are we doing cleanup? Okay. Oh, very good puppies. Puppies day 3. Oh, we're taking a nap. See, we're taking a nap. Oh, guys, you taking a nap? Who's over there? This little puppy pile. Oh, look at them. So cute. So cute, babies.